getting regular HVAC maintenance is the smartest move if you want to keep your system running smooth and avoid nasty surprises that'll wreck your comfort and wallet. So, here's the deal. First, book a pro HVAC technician to check your unit at least once a year. They'll spot little problems before they turn into giant headaches. Make sure they clean or replace your air filters regularly because clogged filters mess with airflow and make your system work harder. Don't forget to check your thermostat settings. Sometimes it's just a simple fix to save energy. Keep outdoor units clear of debris like leaves or dirt to help them breathe better. Tighten any loose electrical connections so you don't risk breakdowns or fire hazards. Schedule seasonal tune-ups, especially before summer and winter, so your system's ready when you really need it. Lastly, keep an eye on unusual noises or smells and call your tech right away. Don't wait for a full-blown emergency. One of the biggest mistakes with HVAC maintenance is ignoring it until something breaks, which leads to costly repairs and downtime. Fix this by setting up regular service appointments before things go south. Another common issue is skipping air filter changes, causing poor air quality and higher energy bills. Just swap those filters every 1 to 3 months depending on use. Lastly, not keeping the outdoor unit clean and clear can cause overheating and reduce efficiency. A quick yard cleanup around the unit does wonders. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who actually get the job done right, making home projects way less stressful. For contractors, it's a solid platform to find real clients and grow their business without all the usual hassle.